Yeah man, guess what now? Welcome back everybody. Guess I'm back in Jamaica, but here now, me I shoot some stuff, me I get some content for you know. But in the meantime, there's a lot of people that's been asking me for like and the facts that they can't find part one, part two, part three. So me I put some stuff together and this is it. So enjoy part one, part two, part three of Good Girl Gone Bad. Alright? See you there.
Yeah, public report, yeah, Richard Brownfield, yeah, Shabby Production, Paradise Nation, oh yeah, you don't understand my situation, you weren't there to hold my hand, you could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust? Yes, there could have been a better solution. But my eyes was full with dust. The lies don't see. Good girl, go back. 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 Good girl, go back.
Oi! I never know what call me. What go on, sis? From when my telephone come look for me, you just a come.
Well, me there here now, the party I keep later.
I lie, which part?
Party I keep gonna make that tonight.
I know to the girl me ever would look good. I go there. So I have
Alright,
to
so where
go.
we go?
Alright, how we plan for where?
Why, I don't know.
Anyway, take it where we come out of them girl, they can't look better than we. Anyways, anytime I tell you ready, I can come and help you and makeup and we go on and we come out and go and do the self.
Which part me I go ready? Me I come over here come ready. Cause me can't bother. Mommy going to one of the argument with me.
Yeah, you can do that. You know, say you can do it. And if anything, and she don't want to listen, you can sleep over here.
We are going to stay up, but in our stay. So late at church, we have church Sunday. You know what I say? Church is a must.
Girl, say I talk about church. Remember the chopper boy from them saying I go out there now? So you know, say anything.
You want the
or
crown?
anything. Exactly. And in friend just come down and he rent a market. So you know, say a road for the night. You can sleep over here if your mother don't want you come back in my house.
Me say me have church. You want mommy kill me? You know we have to go to church.
Girl, tell her say you don't feel good.
We are going to church. I chat foolishness. Me, I go to church.
Yeah, I gotta say something different.
Maybe take you one
later.
to come down. Take you one to always out there.
Of course, and plus him girl I got it there, him me have to take, cause me not like her.
So we have to go to party strap.
Strap. You know, so me ready for anything. Anything I talk about, me strip for your girl. Not for strap, girl. Just make sure you come and make sure you come over, you come get ready. And nobody putting me in my bone curfew. Me tell you can't sleep over here.
Yeah man, me go come, but I one thing we have to remember about we have church and we are going to church Sunday.
Alright, anything you say, we are going to church. Just know so we are the road first.
Me I go alright then. Now go back to my clothes them and come back.
I make sure you can't smell look good, cause remember, at shopper we are.
Me I can't see no look good.
Alright, later sister.
Yeah.
Manda,
Me?
yes. You know, I can't go to church.
Me I come because I get ready just kind of tight.
But look from when you put on your clothes and all, now you can't get ready yet. It look like you don't want to go to church this morning.
You have to fix up myself, but me I come.
Manda, nobody make the little blessing where you forget. Pass you.
Mommy,
If I'm party, you not go, you know how you da hurry up to go party.
Mommy want to me can be and the blessing now pass.
Manda,
Yes.
come out of the house and come go on to church.
Mommy, me I come.
Stop your, look here girl. Stop your coming and come out of the house, man.
Alright, me I come. See me ready, me I come.
Look here man, go on out the door and come go along to church.
Mommy,
Yes.
wait there.
What you look for again?
Wait there, mommy. I look a perfume, mommy.
Jesus God. Girl, go back around there, so go use the perfume and come go along out the yard.
Alright.
Man, you know some say you don't want to go to church.
Yeah, go to church.
Come out the yard, because me say you don't want to go to church, you know, Amanda. Me say, if I'm party, you would see how you hurry if you go to party. No, if you go to church, go get a little blessing and you don't want to go.
Mommy, all
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
Church.
Look here, Amanda. Come on.
Alright, me come.
Come out here and go on a church, man.
Bible.
Jesus Christ. How I do this girl do? Amanda, go free Bible. Come on now. Amanda, come on.
Alright,
Go on a church now,
fine.
Amanda. Jesus Christ. Yeah, man, go on. Amanda.
You still like a church too, you know?
If I'm party, that's how you broke your neck to go party. Now you forget a little blessing now you coming like you want to pass you.
Come here Sunday,
Calm
calm down now.
down. Manda, go on. Look here, no worry about me. You go on a church. I do no young people. You know some no want go to church. But you no broke your neck figure a party. Yes, that's why if you go to church and go get blessing for me and you.
You want to come at church too? Not even finish fix up myself. Not even get to fix up myself, good. Never see a woman miserable so. Sharika,
Hello. You want me?
you left out for church yet?
Yeah, girl, I soon come.
I hope me see you, you know.
No. Girl, last night did while I'm tired, me just wake up. But I soon come. Stop going so man, I soon come.
Alright then, girl. Me hurry up and come.
Alright.
Me a come, man. My God is awesome. He is mountain. Mommy, you done cook?
You're in a church, I think about food.
Me hungry, man.
Jesus Christ, girl. You can't leave your belly.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you know why funny thing?
Mm-mm.
Me know some me call Sherika this man and she left out before me. But I'm reach at church, me not see her. Me never have nobody to chat and laugh with in that church. Church boring.
So you go to church, you go laugh and talk in a church.
No, I don't
Before
say
you
that
go
in
there,
a
go
moment,
listen
but
to the word of God.
I don't say that, but you know I say me and Sherika style that.
Yes, but you know hear the news. You know hear what happened to Sharika.
Which news?
So Sharika go a party last night, and me no know what happened at party. Sharika come home. It look like when Sharika go church this morning. They will lay with Sharika and shoot Sharika. So you never hear.
What you mean shoot Sherika?
You know hear say Sharika dead.
Me and Sherika got a party last night.
Okay.
Sherika have argument with two girls because she get some juice from a man and the girl in bed behave away. And this morning, you tell me now, we come from church, say Sherika dead, mommy.
Yes, when Sharika dey on her way come to church, then lay with Sharika, shoot Sharika. By the time Sharika reach the hospital, Sharika dead.
Innocent Sherika, mommy.
Okay, you see where party give?
My sister Sherika, mommy.
You see where party give? And
Mommy
when
never
me
talk about
you,
party.
Look, no,
Mommy.
Mommy, me talk about no party.
Nobody talk about
Look here.
party.
If Sharika did in her bed last night, you think that would have happened? Nobody would have seen Sharika if you go buy you and Sharika
See
drink.
me sister Sherika, mommy.
Okay, yes, she same one.
Sherika we just start at college, mommy.
Okay. She same one. So
Mm-mm.
look here, me could have done here, see you, you know.
Mm-mm.
Amanda.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
My lunch in her room. You can get one drink of rum.
Yes, I can get something.
Sorry, no.
What do you want to? The
Mm-hmm.
bomb. A bomb panic.
Ah, cigarette.
That's special, you want?
Upset me there more when you upset.
I hope it is.
I know I can know everybody business.
If your business can't do my business. I want to buy.
What? Put on your head.
Just some water for me.
Yeah, next one. Not even coming now. You can get precise for me.
Would you like a little water?
No.
Water?
Mm-mm.
And let me get 2 scoops of ice cream. Roger, give me ice cream. 4 to that one.
Give me craving here.
When I probably stop soon. And so,
We don't plan to top fast in that people business.
it's a
lady.
nice lady like you.
Don't worry yourself.
Let this be the
All of that
last one.
change today.
Let this be the last
The
one.
whole of that change today. Give me a light, please.
How you stress?
Instead of it up, run on business, no, my lady.
Going at the right here.
Come with the ice, little boy.
Let's put on the bottom straight there, come.
Jerome. You see, all of me the plan, everything I the plan to work on, so just cancel out that. Want a place to stay? Place where nobody really gonna know me like that. No, I'm not stay with my mother, so I'm going to know bigger than them. I want to put your life in a danger. I'm not in no work, don't tell me nothing about no work. I'm not about that work, I'm not do nothing at all. I straight even me I pray. I'm dead serious, yo. Just get a place to me stay. I tell mother say me I work. I just have every day gonna work like yeah. But a different thing. Remember say alarm used to study, me know every crutch, every corner what to deal with me thing. Yeah. I'm serious. I don't know what me not we can do talk, cause you know say Grand Savies and I know nobody can up all up my name. No worry yourself, me say me know if you deal with me thing. Imagine, you know. How do you kill Sherika up and you way to church on a day like this Sunday? Every Sunday me and Sherika in a church. No sir. You say me can't talk right here so. Grand Savies, yes, so we link you back. I'm one sister in a yo. Not tell me to calm down before me have to root to you to ban this. Oi, we just reach. place no look bad, just want a little straightening up. And I see clothes when I put on all about him. Oh, so then I have to carry out to work. Alright then. Not a party, man. Yeah, alright then. You find out information about the location? I girl in my murder Sherka. Oh. So send it to me now. Alright. Thanks. Yeah, man. Who is that? Jerome. You can't talk long, I'm going to move last night. What? You have every information? Exactly where they're in there? Them are him. How much person so we know what to do? One somebody in black and in short live on one lonely road. Send me every information, everything. In a my time I mostly home. Don't worry yourself, man. Right now me a pop, not blah blah brush my teeth. And I'm my sister I murder you. Sure. Jerome, with the spot. Yeah, man, one single board house with self alone upon the lane. I want to know what I do, brother. Oh, I'm the county murder. Did you deal with the next two girl? Alright, let's say a word.
What? Pretty girl like you up here, sir?
You know, see, I'm last door. They send me one place named Nampri, but I don't know if I'm in the right place.
Alright, place to them and come like God love me.
Not in here, so.
No man, come in man, you're good. Go have a drink.
You sure?
Yeah man, everything
Can I
okay.
have a drink?
Yeah man.
Okay.
What's your
Very
step?
much. You're such a darling. Where should I go now? Are you kill my sister? Who you? Are you kill my sister? You're going to pay for this.
Good evening and welcome to Jamaiwood News. I am Shaquana Wilson, and in this evening's reports, the National Workers Union are having a field day as yet another set of BPO workers has decided to strike at the prospective prosperity which has yet to be fulfilled by government officials. A body was found in an abandoned building in the vicinity of Meadowbrooks Boulevard. A woman was reportedly seen fleeing the scenes, as according to eyewitness statements. These and other news when we come back.
come. Warm to you, alright? Warm to you.
Kenny, I can't alright, Kenny.
I warm to you. Something wrong with you?
I'm not the one to be the one to tell her this.
Oh, wait here, so my mother give me bun?
If I did even that, me don't mind to tell her that.
So I want just start to my youth and we just have me in a suspense. Me not understand where you going. That what? Are your mother dead?
Why, if I did even,
So you have me in a suspense of my youth. Start no?
Then just keep up with that a while ago, you know.
Where you say? My son?
6 shot, Candy.
So how you know that? How you know that?
Oh, me know that.
How you know that? Me not understand. How you know that?
It be there out right now down the hospital in there. Down the hospital.
So you here before me and my son. Me not understand.
Candy, and everybody brave enough to tell them I say you Candy. I mean, know you have to know, because at the end of the day...
Yeah, friend. Now you tell me the truth. You have my son in or something? Are you kill my son?
Candy, what kind of stupid is that you ask me, Candy? What I mean... I like my son, put me down like my brother, my little son. What you talk about?
A joke you make, are you serious? Because me not understand. How come my son just said, who want my son in or something for them come kill him? Me not understand. Me can't get it all now.
Just listen now. Me not have time for foolishness. Me therefore, me not come to come run there and joke about your son and death. Me not run that joke.
Which part in there? Which part they carry body gun? When they know?
Probably down a daily honey gun. Me not know either in a house or something.
So, you know who came? Mother like to know me need some information.
If me did know who came, him dead already. If me did know who came, him dead already. So therefore, what kind of question that you ask me, Candy?
But me need to find out who killed my son because he not go so.
Right now, me need a drink around. Because me need a drink around. Right now, me need a drink.
Yo, me I'll make some phone call. Alright. Jerome, me need a link. I have something to sort out. Me have a work for mash. A serious something, my youth. Yo, me no waiting thing. This urgent. Me have a work for mash and me need a link from you because me don't know say you know you link them already. Yo, about my son. I can't talk about it right now, Jano Star. Because if you ain't go come back here that good, you know what that means. But me have something to mash. So, start it out for me and me wait for the call. See? Alright, a serious something, you know. Don't worry yourself about the money, my youth. Everything good. Yeah, man, alright, cool. Yeah. Right, that's all. Alright, cool.
Manda.
Yo.
Yeah, man, a Jerome this. See? No, man, the same thing, man. Same thing. But here we are going now. We realize you get rootless, you know, and the thing change. You know what I mean? But guess what? Me can make this beneficial for both you and both for me. Because me can make a link right now for somebody link you up because I them the thing that them start out. And you can make a big food out of it. What you say? Yeah, man, I just say it a while like a big food you get out of it, but you have to remember my cut, you know, you have to stay loyal to the facts and me introduce you. You understand me I say? Alright. So just like come and give you all the information what you need. Alright. Alright. So as me I tell you, say, just like how me give the information. What you say?
Stop one like me have so much drink of that shit before me have to dirty. So you mean you try give me all information? You know me general.
Exactly. Left it there, man. I'm putting no further. Right, that's how I put it. So here I go on now. You see, me have a link. When she call you, don't really go on like you know what I go on. Just act like say, you know the person. Just expect the call as a matter of fact. Expect the call. I'm gonna talk it straight through. No go round thing, yeah? So respond to her. Is a Rasta woman. And she might even invite you to come her yard and thing. She will take care of you, man. She have money. Alright. Angle bangle. Remember my thing, alright? Cool, cool. Anything else, but make sure you link me back and let me know what I go on. Alright. But you ready for your road, alright? You ready for your road more here? Yes or a yes? Alright. Right this side. We shall gather.
Jesse. You know, say me have a work for your match though. You say you are the top notch down at your area, you know. And you deal with everything, you know. When you say dirt, a dirt. So, I want to know if you have... Jesse. Yo, Jesse. You hear me? You have all of your tool them? Alright, don't say 40. Me have a work for your mash. Me have everything sort out. Just come link me. Me have everything sort out, man. Which part? Here you know. Come on Pineapple Street. 41. Listen, Pineapple Street, 41 upon the gate. You can't last. And make sure you say you don't pass. Stop right there, so. Come to me now. Alright, don't say nothing. I'm waiting.
Yo, me dey on my way now. So expect me any minute now. Alright.
Jesse. Hold on, see. Jesse. A few people tell me about you, you know. And me here say I want dangerous girl, you know. You clean up everything down, so. You take up to the toothbrush, shoes lace, all the thread we so the people them clothes, you know, and them things them I like you about, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, so me have a work for your mash.
So what are them things there?
Don't worry about it, man. One of the done them just like me.
Me know that, man, but yet still me have to be careful of what I can't be name running cut.
Me understand. But everything legit. So what you say? You ready to take on the job?
Tell them why task now.
You hear me? Want you go for 2 people down on the road for me. One of them, him tall. He named Jesse. Jesse. You understand? Jesse name. But I worry about it, your name Jesse, you know. He is a man, but they call him Jesse. But me hear say, his right name is Donovan.
No way at all.
But I go on with that name there as fake. I know they call him Jesse kind of girl. But I style him and do things and that I know we I look for him. But remember when I say his right name is Donovan.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Him start not up in here. But the boy in a rasta, let me show you him. See boy, him bleach out, tall, here natty, you see it.
Yeah,
So
man.
when you see him face, don't make a boy carry around no corner. Cause one general, and if you're making him out smart, he's going to take you first.
No,
Cause
if
this
you
a
do
boy
it,
a
man.
real hit man. Look on him. But me you say you are the dan down in the place.
No, we do it thing, man.
So what you say? You ready to take on the work?
Anytime.
What's the charge?
You can give me a meal.
Just a minute.
Just a meal like why.
Chum change that for me.
Yeah, man.
I can give you 1.5 if you don't do work properly. You understand? In a no time. In a split second, as you're done, talk to me after here. Money will settle.
Yeah, man.
So what you say?
Alright, man. Before me cut in, you know, say me normally take half my money
No problem.
and you send it by my account. Don't send it to my name. You can send it to my mother's name. You can send the information and the account number.
No problem. A simple thing that for me match, man. But are you a yes to the thing? The next one is a short, thick youth. Him and the tall one are friendly. 2 of them are bridging like that. So you have to give an eye. You understand? Because I'm followers. I'm a watchman. So you must know when you're going to take them down. But, you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
When you do your work, make sure say you do it properly.
Always, no trace.
Where your mother account number?
I can just send the information. But you're going to tell me payment for one skull about if payment for the next skull.
You need payment for the next call?
2 different skull.
Hear me now. And a summer work. It's when I give you half of this. When you finish the job, you get the rest of money.
You have to
will
come
deal
to
with
an
that.
agreement, you know, because I don't want me in a war.
You want the work or not? Because I can call an ex-virgin.
Nobody can do work like me.
You say
Everybody
if
connected
you want
to
the
me.
work or not.
Yes,
You take
me
it
want
on.
the work.
Okay, so make the deal seal right here so I'm done.
The money, you have to talk about the money first.
And the money me don't talk about already.
You say 1.5 for one skull.
I am going, you say 1 million.
For
and I
one
said I'm
skull.
going to give you 1.5. So a deal is a deal. And if I am going to give you 3 mil for the 2 person,
Yeah.
I can deal with it. Don't worry about
No,
it
we are
because you
talking.
even go get 5 on it.
Simple
500,000
match
that
Simple match
for
that.
free. So I deal.
Deal, man.
Alright.
Shake money.
Alright. Send the info. I'm going to send it to your mother.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here now, no? I listen now. Yo. You see a chain?
Brand new.
You don't play with people. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Me run things. Things don't run me. Anything me do it have to done properly. Make sure you keep it safe.
You have to make sure, man.
What me say? Keep it safe. You understand? So here, don't stay too long. Because we have a next thing to sort out. So little more.
You have a problem now. I'm going to leave this out with you and circle feet about 2 o'clock in the night because I can't push out with this stuff. So we have a circle back to this. Head back, go on, man.
Road kind of busy still. So you understand. Alright, give me it. Safe. You're more safe with me now.
Good.
Remember you said 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Pandy that.
Yeah. Hey, come on.
Don't say nothing.
Brittany. You have one crime for mash up. Come right now.
Manda. I don't know someone want to do my thing, man. Can't leave stones unturned. Manda, what you say? I don't know.
Get a one mission. First, we know you like your whole money, you know. So 500,000 euros.
Talk my language now.
We are going to seduce him this time. A 2 youth and the 2 of them are friends. So this a mission not really complicated. You understand?
So what you want me to do?
Okay, let's see what I'm going.
The whole works, man. The kill quick machine.
works.
Break up kits.
So yes, you are step out well nice tonight.
Yeah.
You know your place already, but now I say 40.
Yeah.
You step out as a homeless person.
Alright. And I'll come out at them hard, you know that, right?
You know your style, man. So 9 o'clock, you have reached by 10. Then a par with a bag of man, I just see 2 of them. You understand? So, nobody take long. Nobody take long with you ready. Just ready up yourself. Then love brown girl, that's why you me use for that one.
Yeah.
So just, alright then.
Yeah, man, you know it's a quick brush through.
So me a rock you homeless tonight.
Alright, now me a rock you
You
all
let me
girl
take
style.
care. So you let me take care. You walk a back road and sit down on the cardboard. And you just finish up your work for me. You go right, you go stand up.
Yeah.
Your car broke down.
Yeah.
Nah, get nobody. Alright.
Good.
Homeless one.
But you have to come out, let me go party if somebody more want. Yes, Amanda. I trap them and quack them.
Yeah, public report, yeah. Richard Brown Field, yeah. Hollywood production, Paradise Nation. Oh yeah.
Come on.
You don't understand my situation. You weren't there to hold my hand. You could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust? Yes, there could have been a better solution, but my eyes was full with doubt.
Edges for days, Amanda.
Good girl, go back. 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 Good girl, go back.
You have been too long, man.
I just my pants and my blouse I put on, man. I'm still, man.
I feel like you put on a pants and a blouse. Yeah, nothing more.
No,
So
man. This good, man. This good. And my boyfriend supposed to come and pick me up, you know, and come fix up the car.
Oh.
Yeah.
me have to look nice. Anything I put on, me look nice in there, no?
Just stick to the story. And then I do one part. At certain time they did by the road. And then live for at certain hours.
Alright, good.
You ready, you know?
You ready too?
Wow.
You know what you're gonna do?
Come on, step out. Come in.
Come in, darling.
One more thing. Change your accent.
Yeah, let's go.
That is it. Yeah, they always be a judge bar, you know. And we can't do it without us brawling.
Yeah.
So we have to stand us up and lay with them.
Okay. So, me going to stand up right here, so?
Yeah.
At the car, right? Tell him that it break down and my boyfriend must come pick me up, but me not get through to him none at all.
And this is my place, homeless.
Yeah. So remember my accent, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not Jamaican accent.
No, darling.
Alright, that is it.
Hi, hello, good night. I'm sorry to stop you like that, but my car broke down and my boyfriend was supposed to come and pick me up, but unfortunately I'm not hearing anything from him. And my phone's dead.
You know I'm a mechanic. I am a mechanic.
Really?
I am a mechanic.
You're a mechanic, girl?
Yeah, I am a mechanic now.
So you can help me out?
Someone is around here?
I think it's just a crazy old lady.
So what's the name though?
Lady?
What's the name?
My name's Brittany.
Yo, Brittany.
No. Come on, let's go.
Can't stay so too long, you know.
I know, right? So come on, let's go.
Yeah, I'm bridging, you know. But you want to get to see your face, you know. So you have to go dead too.
Yeah, public report, yeah, Richard Brownfield, yeah, Shabbywood Production, Paradise Nation, oh yeah, you don't understand my situation, you weren't there to hold my hand, you could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust? Yes, there could have been a better solution. But my eyes was full with doubt. The lies don't see. Good girl, go back. 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 Whoa.
Yeah, man. I hope everything alright with you now. And the girl start out the thing proper for you. What you say? Alright, guess what I'm gonna do now? What you say? You want to get fair information? You want to see she? What make you don't want to do that? See if you say, alright, here we go now. If you give me $4 million because you love to talk about money, I can't give you which part our mother there. So guess what you have to do now? Find the rest for yourself. That's the best I can do for you because you sound desperate. Yeah. Alright. Send it to my account number right now. Yeah. German can link me back if everything alright. Because I know say business is business as usual. Yeah. Alright, cool.
Yeah, public report, yeah. Richard Brownfield, yeah. Hollywood production, Paradise Nation, oh yeah. You don't understand my situation. You weren't there to hold my hand. You could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust? Yes, there could have been a better solution, but my eyes was full with dust. The lies don't see. Good girl, go back. 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 Whoa.
Hello, anybody inside?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Good evening.
My name is Candy and you are?
Cheryl. My name is Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Yes.
May I say it right way because sometimes I don't make pronunciation properly, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Good evening.
Good evening again.
Miss, may I walk all over the place to look if I can get no for rent. You have any room available over here?
We don't have any room available right now, but maybe in the next week we have one available. That's not too late.
Me not tell you no lie. I know say it kind of urgent. Me want the room right now. And a matter of fact, me soon go back on the room thing. You know one girl named what's she name again? I'm a friend and sometimes I don't remember what she name. Jessie. Jessie. You know Jessie? I'm a friend, you know. Me and her so. And sometimes me not used to their name there. They actually come from a different country. You know Jessie?
No, me tell you already, say me don't know nobody by that name. Which part she live?
Where she live?
Exactly which part she
Me don't know which part she live, but somebody when me did ask out the road tell me say somewhere in that lane she live. Either down further up, me don't know her right or something, me don't know. But she named Jessie and she brown. She always wears some long weave, but I think she take out her hair now.
Okay. One daughter me have. No, Jessie she name.
How is she name?
She name Amanda.
Amanda.
Yes, but the description where I give kind of fit her, but Amanda.
Fit for your daughter?
Yes.
So, Cheryl, me not be personal. I know your business me dey going on, you know. You did give her no nickname, pan her real name, you give her pan her birth certificate. She no name Jessie, nothing at all as nickname.
No.
Oh, she just named Amanda. Oh.
So, me no know the description fit her, But me no know her as Jessie, so me no know if she at her.
Back to the room. You couldn't just tell the people them way in this if you come out.
No, me can't do that. How me forgot do that? You want the people then carry me go court? Me can't do that. As me tell you, say, if you can wait for the week, you will get it. But me can't do nothing before that.
Wait there. Me can ask you a question?
Yeah. When you come up here question you ask me. You ask me about the room. You ask me about my daughter. You soon gone and my love life if me have any. So
You have, so you have man too?
that's not your business.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, come like say you're fast, you know. You look like you don't pass in people's business.
Cheryl.
You couldn't just, you don't know me. I first you see me, and you ask me so much question.
There's a first in everything. I have something for you ask you.
Yeah, I work with the what they call him?
I'm not an investigator. I'm not doing no investigation. I just want to find this girl named Jessie. Me and her a friend long time, and I did go for her and care back whole heap of something for her right you know. I'm here look here and can't find her. But I don't really your daughter me ask about still, you know. Actually you tell me say your daughter name Amanda, so I was just asking about your daughter. Me not definitely want to hear about your daughter. Me want to find Jessie because me soon gone back over, me buy my ticket already. And me need to see her to give her stuff them. So please look here, let me tell you something. Don't even bother tell nobody say me say. Me have money like that can give you more than what your tenant give you. So you need to get them out there and me give you double. What you say about that?
Me don't know nothing about you.
You not have to know me?
No.
You want me to send it to your account right now? You have an account number?
Look here, miss. I don't know you. I the first me see you. To all things are going on now, me not take no chance with nobody. So, you could have money like Bill Gates.
Oh, wait, you mention the name there to me.
Look here, miss. Me can't go rent it. Me can't go take out my tenant them when me know. I have to come rent it to somebody that I don't know. Look here how much money you have. Me can't do that.
So why you have out your gate say you have place to rent over here, so?
You see notice out there, so me have.
Vacancy available, me not blind.
You see it out there? If you see that, sir, I do not have any room to rent.
You know no place out there, so Mark?
Miss, look here. Me say me no have no room I rent right now.
Alright, guess what? We not quarrel.
1 week time. But you
we are two big people. Why you get so ignorant?
But you go round and come round and go round and come round and me I tell you one thing and you tell me like say, you know my business. As a matter of fact, you better you just come out of me yard. You understand me? Because me don't know nothing about you and you come and you ask me for me that because me don't know where you're up to. So look here, come out of me yard, man. Me go call my daughter and tell her to be careful.
What's your name again, Cheryl?
Look here. Go on about
you don't know who you talk to.
I don't care.
You don't even know where you just do.
I don't care. Go on out of my yard.
Don't worry yourself.
Go on, man.
Me I go leave. But it look like you know something where you don't want to tell me about.
Go on.
Me I go leave.
You should have leave long time.
Me I go leave. Because you look like you look suspicious. Like the person when me I look for. You look like you know something. I leave, me I leave. But you will continue to. Don't worry yourself. Me I come back and check you.
For what?
Alright. Don't worry yourself. You don't even know what you just do. You don't know what you just do, you know.
I just don't care.
You not care. Me know if you use and catch you, man. Don't worry yourself. Hello. You know say, me I call you from when I can't get you my youth. Yeah man, a serious matter man. Me need some information from you, you know. But the same girl you did send to me when named Jessie. Because I walk around and I question the people them in the community. And it's like a wrong information me I get about her. Nobody no know the girl. Me not understand. Somebody tell me say, she live in a one community around the lane, you know. I go in the lane, you know. And they ask one lady just now for her. But the lady said she don't know her. She only have one daughter named Amanda. But I don't know Amanda me I look for. Me I look for Jessie, so here you know. You see the other day when me tell us if you send her to me. You know, say I judge my friend wrongfully my youth. And send man to go kill my friend. Cause me thinks that my friend involved in my son death. But I never him. Right now, Star, me Ben. Yo, me not even know if he confront my brethren. Because I can't believe that I judge him wrongfully. I mean, which one of my friend? My friend where me I tell you say when we used to call Jesse, but a Donovan ain't right name. Yeah man, that same bridging them man, my article bridging, you know. Yo, me nearly make my bridging losing life because me thinking involved in my thing, you know. And I want, yo, a chain of no Star. I one friend me have. And look how saying losing life sake of me I get wrong information. Anyway, me need to see if I talk to you. Because this girl, when named Jessie, when me I look for, she look like she a general, you know. She involved in everything we go on. So I need something from you, you know, to use. Because I get serious right now. Me not run no joke. Because my son can't come back, you know. So me have to sort out this by myself. You understand me? No man, they put it in people them hand already who forgot it, you know. So everything good, man. Don't worry yourself, just give me back a call. Me know if you sort out this. Alright, cool. Yeah man, look come on.
Mommy. What? Where is it? I look for me. So them the people they look. Rasta. Woman or man? I see some know a woman and my friend them. How much you them can't hear from me? We are worry yourself about mommy. Me and my sister two different somebody and she dead and gone, but I can't back up that. Me know them. My phone wasn't working, mommy, so me could do. Yes, so I call me and could get me. I people about work, I'm myself from leave college me now. Me work, but I up my dad try to level up myself a bit now and different work. So hey baby. You alright? Kiss him for me, me so can't look for him. Everything alright, mommy? Yes. You alright? Alright then. Fine alright and the baby alright. Me go get to them now and call them. Yeah. Later. Love you too. What kind of business this? Jerome. Oh, them the people that know me live. Mommy just called me. So I show me not finish the work and the next man not get them go look for me and me yard and sin. Me not do them the business, you know. Cause my mother their yard and picking their yard. Yeah. And me know my family, me not them in a danger cause my mother don't even know me I entangle myself, you know. Me no want them at my yard, brother, cause me no want to get grimy upon nobody and me no business who them be. Top tell me if you calm down, man, can be know say them and spanky business, but I never go do certain things. But I your fault. Deal with where I deal with it and link me back.
know you probably feel like say I kill your son. But I know me kill your son, me don't know nothing to do with that. You see him girl that shoot off of me last night. Me feel like say she kill your son. Cause last night me see some bombs me and my friend are coming from one bar. And the girl dressed up like she mad and the car there so. Shoot off and me say me have to run, mama, me run so till me I'll piss up myself and me a big man, me shame to tell you.
What you say? Jesse?
Man, big mouth girl.
Jesse shoot off of you?
She shoot off of me and shoot my friend. Right now, me know you're probably glad to see me right now. You're probably glad that you didn't even know.
I'm glad for you.
Right now, I can't tell me turn out that's too long, you know. Can't tell me turn out that's too long because I'm nervous right last night. Anyways.
No, I'm glad to see you for you, but...
Don't tell nobody, so me tell you who we know. Don't tell nobody. But find that girl who kill your son.
Yeah.
Here? Find her. Find her. Whatever you have to do, just find her. I can't tell no person.
Jesse, you say?
Jesse. Big mouth Jesse.
Jesse.
Walk like handicap.
Okay, alright. So where you go now?
Worry yourself, you know that.
Me a bridging in now, where you do?
Worry yourself, you know that.
No, me just want to know if you're alright. Remember if you call me. But... Jesse. Hello? Hello?
Oi.
Jesse?
Oi,
Jesse, what going?
that's that thing, you know.
Yeah, say everything good?
Everything government.
Alright, you know, say me did have something to give you. When you can link me, where me can meet you? Or you want to come check me?
You can't send it.
Eh?
You can't send it.
Yo, you know me stay ready, you know, me not give people things to give nobody with me and them close, you know. I want you personally if you can get in my youth. Me have something for you, you know. I remember me did promise you want money. Pantapay money where you did charge me.
That's how it, man. Me tell us you can't send it to Western Union and around.
No, listen to what I say now, no, man. The money can send, but when me have to give you, it cannot send. You have to receive yourself.
No, man. Give somebody else that. They send you money.
Jesse, me need to see you if you talk to you of something personal. This can't go over the ear. Come check me. Me have a work for your match. Plus me have something to give you personally. So when you can call link me?
Me busy. Me kind of busy, you know. Me busy. I mean, I know when you have a really see me.
When you can link me?
Me don't know yet. Me don't know, but me make you know.
Are you want to match your work for me, you know? Me don't want nobody else do it, you know. So me need to see you personally. Just give me a time and a date where you can come check me, man. Me will make it available where me can see you.
One time or date, because me don't know. Me don't know.
So how this thing I go? Because me need to see you badly.
You can't send any money or any work for you.
The money I know a problem because you already know that. But me have something to give you. It's not money. It cannot send through Western Union. It can't send through MoneyGram. Me have to see you personally, as I said before, to give you it because I feel it.
Somebody else, as I said before. As I said before, give somebody else something. I'm busy now, so I can't really come nowhere.
Jesse. Jesse, me not like how you're going, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, hear you.
Jesse, you need to go and check me, my girl. Me have so many things to me to talk about.
Yeah, me not hear you. Before I break up.
Alright, me call you back. Hello.
Hi.
You live in this area?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a girl by the name of Jessie. You know her?
No.
So I'm not trying to intervene in your business. What are you doing in this area?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're just walking around and afraid I dirty man them.
No.
Really? How old are you? You look like a very nice little child, you know. Mind them boy there, you know, and them little piece of shots that we have on. Where your mother there?
Work.
So she don't know so you're there on the road, don't?
No.
You not them the type of clothes there. You see you look nice, so your body cock up, be careful of the dirty man them. You hear what me say?
Yeah.
Okay, you're a very nice girl. I mean, I like so when time man take disadvantage of little pitney. So be careful of them, you hear?
Yeah.
You hear what me say?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? Where did you say your name again?
Shanice.
Shanice? Alright, nice meeting you, Shanice. But you see, if you hear nobody in that area talk about one girl named Jessie,
Yeah.
just try to investigate for me. I go give you my number and find out where she live, what time she a come. Anywhere she live, me need to know, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a friend. I know her for a long time. I did go a foreign and carry back some perfume and stuff here. Because she a perfume freak like me, you know. And I need to see her. I can't wait to see her. I'm my best friend. You know how much years when I see her? Let me tell you something. Shanice, you see, anytime you hear nobody they talk about this girl named Jessie,
Yeah.
nobody tell her say me I look for her now because me come with a surprise for her. Mother give you forgive her if you did know her, but me rather give her myself. So guess what? Let me give you my number. You have no phone for you?
Yeah.
Take my number. 332 0191. Alright, I hit that. Take it. You hear?
Yeah.
Make sure you take it, you know.
Yeah.
332 901. Remember what I say, you know. You understand me? So guess what? Nobody call you now. Because my battery dead, you're not going to get me. Anytime you hear nobody they talk about Jessie, just find out her own name, so where she live, anywhere she locate, just tell me. Call me and tell me, man, me have money, you know, me can pay you, but not tell nobody, you know. You're not informer?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Your mother and the teacher say when nobody tell you nothing, you know, if you chat, because you will get in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay. So guess what? Me I go give you money. Alright. Me I give you one little drinks money, I know. So guess what now? Here ya. You can take this and buy one drinks. Here?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man, but don't worry about that. Yeah. But you see, when you do the work, a bigger thing, don't worry about it. And I'm going to make a little boyfriend take away money when we give you, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, I have something to do on the road. I'm in a rush. So, little more, see?
Yeah.
All right.
I can't get one cigarette and one drink around, please.
A JB, me
Make that stay. Give me one beer. Thanks. Give me a light. Thanks.
Excuse me, miss. Are you and Jessie?
What ask?
Like a somebody I know.
Yes, I mean I'm Jessie Awa. What ask?
I just know more if you know because I look nice and pretty.
So now that you have to say thank you very much. And if you go on a school.
Yeah, hello.
Hello? Oh, are you named Shanice, the girl who me did meet in the little end so?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope you have good news to tell me. I
You know, so me see girl since evening in that area.
A lie.
Yeah, Jessie, yeah.
You know where she live?
Yeah.
Tell me about it, girl. You find out who name what? Say if I know Jessica, me did say. Jessie. You find out who name Jessie? Jessica she name, but people call her Jessie. You no matter. Me go and know see you find out who name Jessie and where she live. You find out that?
Yeah, man, me find out which part she live.
No, man. You too lie. Can me? Me owe you big time. Me need to come check you.
Yeah, man, you don't have to do what you have to do, you see it?
Yeah, man. Girl, let me tell you something. You don't know me. Me have money can give you. You see, once me put you up on a job and it complete from you, complete that the mission there. Don't if I'm but. Me not play people in kind of way there.
So how money I go? You will give me money?
What me just say? From me say me I go pay you for do the job, that mean me I go pay you.
Alright.
Me go want to know say the work me put you upon. Eh? Stop worrying about money, girl. Your mother never used to give you no money. Come and see you on the roadside with cheese chips. The money where me did give you, by the way, you take it by the juice?
Yeah.
Me know me promise you money, but me I go give it to you. Don't worry yourself, me want to come link you. Because since, as you say, you find a who named Jessie, we will find where you live. What you say? So you not tell me on the phone, and me have to ask if you know where girl live. Alright, me I come check you, don't worry yourself. You know what? Me did all go over my yard. And me gate me stand up. But now you make me heart a race. The things that in my car to give the girl. Me they come check you first. Me have to see if I talk to you. Girl, if you accomplish anything else in your life, this is one of the biggest accomplishment you go get from me because you do a grateful job. Thank you very much. Me I go back now on the road.
Say you can't check me.
Yeah, man, me I come check you, man. Don't worry yourself. Me know your money I fret about it, but don't worry about it. Me not bother go on the yard.
Alright. Yeah, I'm bringing money come.
You hear me say if you stop talking about money, you're a little girl, you don't feel love money so much. Wait till you're big like me, then you love it.
Alright, I can't check
Me
me.
start out sitting on the road, man.
Yeah.
Then me come check you. Alright, don't say, eh?
Yeah, I'm bringing money come.
Don't worry about that, man. Just make sure so you keep your phone close beside you. And nobody tell nobody, you know. Remember a secret this. Because I don't want you getting in no trouble. You want me to say?
Alright, I can't check me.
Me can't check you. Yeah, man, alright, cool.
Yeah.
What one?
Then,
No disrespect. Before me even start talk. Little girl, what me cannot beard? You have on the same blouse, same shorts. You couldn't beard.
you know, you say water gone from other day. And water come back and none come in my yard.
Water come back,
Yeah.
but you not come off your yard.
Mm.
I could have caught this now, Jesus. So, Oh, Jesus, you make me head. No, fit me wrong, man. You come back at everybody else yard and you don't come and fear yard?
Yeah, none of them yard.
Then look how long that from then time there until now you no beard. Guess what? Forget about that. You can buy a suit of clothes and buy a soap. And I can give you some water to me. You buy one jug of spring water, give you throw you out in a one bad pan. You know no bad pan in your yard?
Yeah.
Throw in there and beard. You have to beard, man. Done. Sorry about that. I can buy a Roland, but where you deal with? Where the girl live?
No, see, I back down there, so I see her walk go.
You see she walk go back down there, so?
Yeah.
What kind of clothes she have on?
She did have on one burgundy top and a blue jeans pants.
So you don't see her, she go in there? You see her, she go in there or what?
No, me only see she walk go up on the road.
So you tell me, say you don't know where the girl live? You forgot to say, me hold a conversation. Oh, you feel say you don't know where the girl live. And you say you know where the girl live. I don't understand you. You forgot to say me and you hold one conversation over the phone and the way you talk, it sound like you know where girl live, you know. And you say you know where girl live.
Oh, me think you say you know where girl live.
Little girl, Shanice or whatever you want name. Are you there to take me for? Oh, me fi know where the girl live and then they come to you. Come ask you where the girl live. If you find out, I'll tell you so me go pay you. Me not understand. Anyway, figure about it. Me want to know say you know where girl live.
Yeah.
And I see him clothes, I see her in a...
Same
the color
clothes.
you tell me.
Same color.
Anyway, I'm a friend. But them the girl in a beard afternoon, so if you see her in a that suit there, the last time me see she, at the same color suit me see her in a, I mean not see her back front that again because me did go away. But me have some stuff here, don't worry yourself. How me give money? You want me give the money in your hand or you have no account? Or you
No,
want me
me
give
not
your
no
mother?
account.
Also me have to go see and give you cash?
Yeah.
No go bank and draw some money and carry come give you. No, but that spell it foolishly, you know. Give your mother and make she take it and send you go to school. Because I like when young children learn, you know. And you look like a nice girl, you know. We come out to something good in life. You know what? But I take it for a joke, a serious sitting. Let me see how much money this is. I'm not sure about that count. You see this? Look, hold it. I first hold so much money from your band, not true? This is just $5,000. I'm going to weigh you big time. I don't take no long time figure you at 2 at night now. So early in the morning, we will give you 30,000 because you do a good job. See?
Yeah.
The way you tell me about the girl, and she same one. You understand?
Yeah.
Me glad you tell me. Because you know from when me come from foreign and care something to give the girl. Nobody thinks I know trouble you get in, I know. I'm a friend like that even though she not like beard. Can only put cologne and all kind of stuff here. But thanks here.
Yeah.
Anyway, come show me which part she live.
Alright then, come on.
How far she live?
Yeah. Over here, so she live.
Yeah, so?
Yeah.
You sure say over here, so she live?
Yeah, I'm sure over here, so she live.
Yeah. Alright, guess what? Take time and go on. Run.
Mommy! 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 You know me that come man? You know me that come and just cook?
Where's the boy?
Yeah, cook.
Yes, so
Smell nice, man. You come like you know me when me I come, so.
yes, me mind tell me say you come.
I yeah, wash plate.
Yeah.
Me come look for you still. You say for you alright.
Say you not come, you know.
That's why you cook.
Yes.
That's why me I feel love you saying to my mother.
Yeah, man, me love you too, you know.
So you want me help you finish wash them up so you give food get to cook quicker?
Yes.
Alright then.
Alright. So you just go and wash. Me I go in the kitchen for something. I'll come back.
Alright.
Oh, I saw you do it. I saw you do it.
So where you do your so? Where you come here so far?
When me come here so far, you don't know when me come here so far. A bad me up. A girl a dirt me for dirty.
Dirt what?
You know, don't dance on me grow you.
Mommy, no, do that.
No, Amanda.
Go in with the baby now, mommy. Mommy, go in with the
Where
baby.
you go?
Lock up your place. Me not go nowhere, mommy. This big guy, you. Go on, man.
Jesus God.
Go in with the baby now, mommy.
Come here, son. Come
No,
here, son.
mommy.
Wait. Just stand up here, son.
Baby.
Let me go say the baby.
Alright, mommy. Lock the door. Close up the door, mommy. Close the door.
Jerome, if you ever know what just happened like a while, my youth, can't manage star, me can't manage to drive, me park on the road. When you send somebody come, yeah man, I want to go to hospital, me can't manage to drive. Me park on the roadside, man, same place around a pineapple there, so. Yeah man, that same street there, just come run on the lane and the person. Yeah man. It's serious, man. Me just get shot. Alright, me I wait for you. Yeah, man.
Jesus Christ. How much call? Mommy, me send somebody phone. Me can't talk to you right now about that. Just go right at the shortcut. Yes, take your baby and just lift up. Me we talk about that later, mommy. Just do what me say you do. Yes, right at the shortcut this so. And just bend down. Them a come. Me just make you go somewhere go and breeze out. Money and everything I go line up. Start afresh. Mommy, me no mean say I go live, but until certain things cool down, just understand, no man. Yes, mommy. All right.
Yes, sir. Come. Run, come, baby. Run, come. Run, come. Run.
Jerome, a little thing go on a while ago. Because she come at me yard with me people them there, you know, say me no ramp when it come to family, brother. just tap in eyes and listen with me and say, here what you go do? You go over yard, and you go grab mommy, and you go grab my son. Me go call them when me a come already. So they must out the front by now. Me tell them exactly if you go wait for you. Right eye short, come me tell him if you just bend down and wait, come in and take no shit. Cause she try to think me just dirt everybody and go do me time in a prison, brother. Alright. Respect. Go no. If you can't go send somebody.
Hello? What you say? So, which part you shut here? So, see it? Me did tell you, you know? Me did tell her say that girl is a problem. Me did tell her say that girl is a problem. So, Lani, calm down, cause we have to come up with a strategy and how we are going to get rid of that girl. You see me? We have to dash away body. Anything we do, chop it up fine in a pieces. Yeah. But yeah, what? We have to probably just link me. Just hold cool and link me. So you got a doctor already? Alright. Me there. So yo, Jano, that just messed up for you what going still now. But where is it? No, but I saw she brave in front of her mother. Me Lord Jesus Christ. No. Alright, yo, me glad you're good. So, just be safe and tomorrow me call link you then. Alright, you see, you never believe me at first, but now you probably believe me now. Tomorrow me link you. Alright. My God.
Yeah, public report, yeah, Richard Brownfield, yeah, Hollywood production, Paradise Nation, oh yeah, you don't understand my situation, you weren't there to hold my hand, you could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust? Yes, there could have been a better solution, but my eyes was full with dust. The eyes don't see. Good girl, go back. 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 Whoa.
Alright, if it's your first time to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is uploaded. Alright?
Yeah, public report, yeah, Richard Brownfield, yeah, Hollywood production, Paradise Nation. Oh yeah. You don't understand my situation. You weren't there to hold my hand. You could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust? Yes, there could have been a better solution, but my eyes was full with dust. The lies don't see. Good girl, go back. 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 Whoa.
You have gun for you?
No, me not have gun for me.
And really, you may come find you. But me I protect myself and my family. So here what? This is who send me to kill you.
Please don't kill me.
This is who send me to kill you.
Who?
I can't send me to kill you. So one agreement with the pan now. Either we take her down or we take you down and then we go after her.
You're serious?
Serious as a judge.
So take your gun off of me now?
Me not run no risk.
Listen, you're good. Me not have nothing for me. See there, are you have the power? Me not have nothing for me. Me not have nothing for me. Just take your gun off of me, man.
So what we are gonna do? Talk now.
We have to just figure out something.
Talk if I know.
Yeah. I could go for you a little more.
If we first work when I do it, I feel a way about it, you know. But I just have to do what I have to do for make it. So here what? You say if you're serious, we have to make a serious plan. How me know I can trust you?
Listen, my word is my bond. You can't trust me.
I not take more talk, you know, brother.
Then we have to just trust each other then. Have to just trust each other.
Before that, I go in your house and I take up everything we valid.
Listen, no, you don't have to do that. Just take it gun out.
Just listen to me, brother, and then you know say me serious. You know say me not have time for play. So here what? This is your hard drive with every foolishness we ever do. And if you ramp with me, just know say we are good then. One way or the next.
Just be careful with it, please. Please.
Me will call you because I have your number.
Alright. Just be careful. But don't make nothing touch it, please. Hello? Hello? Donovan? What? My youth didn't say you can't check me. 1 day past now. I'm a friend. I know you don't can't link me, my youth. Right now, me had a big pain in my side that hurt me. Come like in medication, them what the doctor give me now work. You know how much me take already, then if you go back and take it again? Of course, me did eat something before me take it. When you can't link me, my youth? What you say? You hear one different story? About what? What? My youth, me and your friend a long time. You're not supposed to take yourself from nobody. Come link me right now. Just come no man. Right now, me can't manage the long talking. Me not long talking right now. If you know the pain when me are feeling on my side.
Just come and make me talk about this. We need to discuss this face to face. Make we discuss it face to face. Yeah. Come link me, my youth. Me can't talk no more, man. Just come, man. I must be hard me there. Alright. Yeah, man, cool. Alright.
Mommy. Sorry. Good morning, mother. You alright? Yes, me alright. Oh, baby. Oh. No, but stress out yourself, man. Fine, and the baby alright. Everything's so sorted out, mommy. Me I deal with everything. Everything's so sorted out. Here, we alright, and no problem, no incident, nothing like that now go on. Me no bother stress out yourself about that make your pressure go up, man. Alright then. So here what me I go do, me I go send somebody with some money and some food items and send some clothes and pampers and stuff, baby. Mommy man, come on for that no. Me I go send you everything so alright. Give me 2 weeks or less. And me sort out everything. So you don't feel live in a fear or worry about me. What happened to my sister now happen to me can never happen to me, mommy. Me I go send it. Anytime me deal with it, I send off me I go call you and make them come feed. So anybody else come, just know say that they come for. Alright, mommy. Take care now, but I'll stress out yourself. You pick me alright. No matter what me I do, God I watch me head back. Yes, mommy. Later.
Good, sir.
Yeah, I think boss, man.
I know, you come like and see how Jamaica run. That's how Jamaica run. A hug to mouth, we are dealing with that in my hand. Hug to mouth. Hug. You see how hug live? You see me look so clean. Nothing go on down your brother right now. Jamaica is not a normal place right now. The government, I don't know. Me ball. I feel like I'm ball sometimes me see how the government deal with me. Okay. In a real life. I know a long time, you know. But I really want to give a thing, but I have not even a ice mint or a pin can give you, bro.
No, say you know me long time, man, but just a little thing me a bigger, man.
Here we go, look up more. See it? Big up yourself. Nothing that go on, boy. Jamaica rough. How that? How that? Come in now. There, man. Come. Come back, mama. Sleep, you sleep. You know, I'm glad for no say a good still no can name. You know what you're going on.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Can't believe though. You know what kind of thing this is still now. If you know say your girl really do something like that, bro. But you never believe me still. Never believe in me. And look how me I want them. I high man in a candy. We can see things, you know. You see me?
Yeah, man. But forget about that. I'm gonna talk about that right now. Anything we have to do, we have to just do it. Anything at all we have to do, we have to sort it out. We just have to wait until me decide yet. It could healing, you know? It hurt me still. You understand? You see, my mom call and, you know, and tell us medication.
Me not cut it. You remember when Jesus did sit down with the 12 man them and he said one hour now go betray me?
Yes. And Judas.
A Judas?
Yeah.
Right now me there I wonder say who is the real Judas? Is it you or is it she? But I know that me I talk about so. She just come check me on my yard now.
A lie.
She come check me on my yard at gunpoint. Bro.
Gunpoint?
Come on, I cannot hear me I say.
No, man.
I pissed me, I almost pissed up myself a while ago, you know. I say girl come and put the gun so. I'm frightened because I road me say me I go fresh up. That's why I say me you want to come link you after. You I actually come around. Because my business me I go about. I want new girl me stay so bam soon. A profile her. And me say me I go circle her. You see me? That's how I come around here. So I wonder if it's you are the problem or she are the problem. Because I don't want to feel like I'm soft, you know. I don't want to feel like I'm soft. Because I can dash her right just right now, you know. I can dash her she. But it's because I don't want the blood from my pit in them shoulder. I don't make by it, yo.
But you just ease yourself, man. Because you can't believe what that the girl they tell you say. Me and friend and we come from far. So what I say, you believe she and I believe me. My youth, me not give the girl no money if you come do nothing. Me not give her no money. The girl a make up story. And what you did say? You almost piss up yourself or you piss up yourself. If you piss up yourself, you know, me can make you go bathe in my shower. You can't just tell me.
Come like you're sick in here.
What you did say? You never hear what you said good.
You're sick. Listen to me now, man.
Yeah, man, me sick and I say girl should be on my side. I want to, man.
But you get sorry, because I don't really want to talk. Because if I talk,
at the end of the day, me and your friend, at the moment I want you to go for your mother. Because you don't know some me have my money already. And a business we say, a business we are going to talk about and we are going to start it out. Don't worry about money, my youth. You don't know say me have the link big. So just go for your mother. Because now I go so.
hear me, sir. Just make sure say I do the right thing here. And make sure say they're on the right track. Somebody have to pay.
Yeah, man.
Somebody have to pay. Just take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah. Thanks for come check I see.
Me say, just ensure say you're not enough to do this.
Don't worry about that. Just get the mama. I eat that. I have nothing else to tell you. Get the mother.
How going?
Yeah, I go.
Want to make some money?
Yeah, man.
We have some goods and a piece of food for you later for one location.
Yeah, no problem.
You can deal with it for me. And the location, me I say nobody. If your friend, if your virgin see you with them, just tell them say I go do our work and come back.
Still, you know, I'm not too really have no friend like that still, you know.
Right way for me. So, forward. Come in, man. Just come and walk up like that. So here, we are castle. So far over there. Listen, I'm back with the exact things that we have to buy. So just deal with it for me. And let off it. Got the destination with let off here. You know which part? And you can read it. Do the things then. Funny. Alright, let's see how we respect here.
Six ball on the floor. Yeah, pampas.
No pampas.
Alright. How much is them here?
$200.
So, you have baby feeding?
No, we don't have any. I'll get you tomorrow.
Alright then. Just collect them then. I think they have baby feed.
No, we don't have any.
Alright. Have a nice day.
Same to you, darling. Just share it for flour.
Oh, sorry about you, man. We didn't have me to body, man.
Try make you have anybody. Mommy, they get you something there, you not call me. What? $5,000 6 pounds of flour? You're mad, somebody. You know me better than that, you're mad. I'm gonna tell you what the man give you. So idiot me get to do your work. Don't worry yourselves. Tomorrow, I'm gonna make sure you get everything tomorrow. Just try use what you have and get going. Me must see him. Cause it seems like in the hungry, but once bitten, twice shy. Yes, mommy stop worry yourself no man. Yes. Sorry if you raise my voice after you, but me alright man. Nothing not do you. And nothing not do me baby. Where the sweep out? In the night I sweep out a woman be clean. Every minute round the clock you clean. Alright then. Go and sweep out where you sweep out. Tomorrow man. Yes, nothing not do you mommy. Can't guarantee you that. Promise you that. Alright. Love you too. Yeah.
Good evening. Good evening. You know one lady around here so named Miss Pansy.
Miss Pansy. No.
Oh, me get one package. Me get one package for you. Go in here. Go in here.
Lord Jesus.
Go in here.
I want me to take it.
Put it.
See that.
Go in.
See that.
Shut up. Yo, you see all know.
Hello?
Yo, Candy.
Yes.
We get her now. Where you say? Which part she go?
So where you say? You have her? You sure? Yo, my youth, you know a regular spot no man. Just carry down at the same place where we always there. You know where to go already, man. Alright. Yeah man. We link up. Your money is a surety. Yes. Me have it and you know too. Me I'll go put extra on it. Alright, little more.
Alright. Me have her, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright. Shut up. Yeah. Alright.
Me call you back. Aye.
I think gonna carry on with me. Eh? Homies.
Mommy. Nice meal with me, so.
This strange man. Jerome. Me a call mommy, and me not get her on this strange because mommy normally pick up. You don't hear about nothing go on around so. You know nobody you can send go check on her for me. Oh, everybody busy. Alright then, that's your word. I feel my mother and my picking around this so. Me go left phone now and check on her. If me don't call her back in a couple minutes, just know say something good on this. I tell you. Because you know me tell you about everything me want. Alright. That's your word. Yeah man. Woman, this strange. Not my mother. I see you come from?
Yeah.
You don't see nothing funny brand around the area because I can't check mother and she feel over there, I don't see her. Alright then, thanks.
Come here, Maxim. You know what I do? If you really want to know, you have to give me money. You know?
Give her money for what? So what kind of information you have to ask me to give her money?
Because I know certain things. So, I look pre last night. Or at least for me, I have to say. See one car coming in a place, you see me? So one man come out, big and thick and he big. Then he must some fat around the back, you see me? I'm seeing throw a woman in a car.
You never seen a baby?
No, I'm not seeing a baby. None at all.
Alright, respect. Right information you give me?
Yeah man, right information.
Alright, let's see your word.
Alright.
Yawa.
Me, a Satan.
You really look like Satan to you.
You stay there going, man. You think your daughter Satan, don't you?
What you really do? And who really send you for me?
There's a high price on the daughter head. And if you don't know what you do, me not even going to tell you what go on. Just sit down there, sir. No, man, just sit down there and cool out, man. Just sit down and cool out.
Alright, man, sit down and me cool out. Go on.
You're there for your retirement plan now, so you want to enjoy.
Hope you live to enjoy yours.
The daughter, I'm going to be the one to make it dead if you don't know what you do. Here? So continue, no. Continue give me
to
talk.
Make me dead. What me daughter do to make me dead?
Just continue give me talk, Miss Cheryl.
Okay, so
continue give me
so
talk.
till you have your gun, that's why you feel like you have a bad meal. You really choose this path? Young man.
I never chose this.
Okay. He choose you.
Your daughter lead me to do this because she killed my friend. My friend when me and him grew up from school days.
My daughter make a tell murderer that you know you for a long time.
Some reason, rate how you tough, but I don't think you're a bad woman. Because you know, say, your daughter come link me the other day. And the same person that tried to kill me, and she, I'm confused as to what I want. I'm really confused because Candice pay her to kill me. She killed my friend. I'm in the middle.
Well, the most thing you have to do, you know, is find out the truth. Because you're right now the middle there, so you don't know what are the truth. So you have to find out that for yourself. Just tell me that, hear what she have to say. And then you know what to do from there, so.
Amanda!
Oi.
What are you doing, Amanda? I got your mother here. And I'm. How you know Sammy have a mother?
Because ask a person and then tell them describe you, I mean, no fear you.
Anyways, what are we gonna do about this? Because I don't trust you and I don't trust Candy, and I'm in the middle of this right now and I'm about to make a decision that I don't want you to feel bad.
You don't trust me?
I don't trust you?
Be mad and you will find out if you don't trust me.
Is it a threat, Amanda?
Can we come to an agreement and take me mother? Me mother?
You're lucky I never take your sister too.
That even go then so, brother. That even go then so.
Listen to me. I need $3 million by the end of the month. And if I can't get it, you know it's goodbye bye for mama, right?
3 million?
Shut up!
3 million?
Man, you talk to mother and the wife. Mommy,
Yes?
you know there nothing.
You don't want no. You don't want to know if me do or not, man. You don't want me do or not. Here? Just make me get the 3 million and you want 2 extra million for my friend when you kill. That me I tell her.
Okay then. So you want this and then you don't talk about it. You want me to go on the hard drive then. You want
Alright, Amanda, just speak with Candy on this matter, but the hard drive here is very important. That is worth more than $3 million. So therefore, it's very important. So let's just end this right here, right now. Alright, Amanda? We're good, man. Me and mommy good, man. Mommy, alright. Me a good. Me a good, man. Mommy, alright, man. She a cool out, man. She a drink a pina colada.
I know everything with on the hard drive, you know, every dirty work, every work we do for people, every message, so we can just send out to them.
Yes, Saint.
So, Amanda, go and give me talk, man. Go and give me talk.
Amanda.
Mommy.
Yes. Look here.
Does your good family that is why?
No argument.
Mommy. Oh, what if?
Hello? What you say? What you say, one? GPS or that number, yeah? You know it gonna cost you, don't you? Right now, send it to my account. What them say, them have your mother? Sound like them kill your mother? No, sir, this is serious. But you don't know it's a business as usual. So just send the money to my account, $1 million. Alright? I'm gonna send you the GPS tracking right now. So you can find the location immediately. Remember, it's a satellite we're using, so you're good to go. Alright. Remember, send the money to my account. All the best.
Mommy.
Candy, where the candy?
You know, so me and I want to check out something.
Candy right now, candy. Me don't know if you do candy. Me don't know if you do.
I want you. Want you.
Me and the woman run there good. And then me just see him drop down dead.
What?
You want to have a heart attack?
What you say? Heart attack.
He heart stop run.
You sure say she dead?
Candy.
Maybe her pulse are going slow.
Candy.
Try and hold up her head and give her some water to drink.
Me not did them leave.
You leave her alone?
Right now, me there candy.
So you sure say tricky she tricky and gone? Suppose when you go back around and you don't see her.
Candy, you're making this harder for me right now. Just one video.
You need to go back around there go look if you see her because she can pretend like she dead and she not dead. When you go back around there now, maybe she not around there. You never know, maybe she around there, you can go look. Just make sure. You have to go look, go check it out. You can't just leave it.
No. Me can't do this. Me really can't do this, Candy. Me can't do it. It don't go work.
My youth, after you start the thing you want to finish it right, that's why it not end yet.
Me can't do it, Candy. Me can't do it. Honestly. You just try and figure it out and answer me.
Me never such a friend. I put me down.
Me never sign up for this.
No, we not sign up for it. We not sign no contract. But me and bridging we article like that. We are thugs from long time. Me did it for you and you did it for me. How come you put on this and you know so me need to start out this?
Listen to me no man. This is not me. Killing people, kidnapping is not me. This is not me. Me don't know how me get myself into this and this mix up. This is not me.
Me not tell you if you kill nobody. Me tell you if you kidnap her until me come check you. You're not supposed to kill her. Me never said that. But me need to see her, so you need to hold her. So where you do? Where you do about it?
Me call her. Me call her. Me,
Alright.
me, I go round there. Me I go round there. Me call her. Me I go round there.
Alright.
Don't move. And if you try not, me just take off your head in a brawling.
Where you do it?
Where you send and kill me mother for?
Where you are doing it for?
Where you send people to kill me mother for?
You sure send somebody to kill your mother?
Not even
Just what you want with me?
Not even doing no talking with you, no kind of unfair. Imagine your son kill me sister and you know try to find out the reason or what. Your son did a pedophile or rape. If a woman a pass up there in the bush, people tell me about him. He take them in the house and rape them and nothing never come out of it. But no bad none of your eyes because I hear a pitney.
Jesse, I don't understand. Look like you take this on a different level. You say my son killed your sister. Now you come again with a different story. Say my friend kill your mother. I don't understand. How you so salt?
How me so salt?
Yeah. How you want so salt?
You're full of chat with it too.
You sure about what you're talking about?
Oh, me so salt. Oh, me so salt. My sister, then my mother. If I dirt, let me tell you that. Because I know me not to be here from my pitney yet. Jerome. Yeah. You need to line up a ride for me. And the same thing with that them boss, if anything happen, me need to push out of the country. You need to line up for me. Then kill my mother. So me kill Candy and me kill the next youth. And I cut because my pitney me can't find me. No, my pitney dead and so they can't find me pitney. No way. Me ask so much question, they don't know where my pitney there. Nobody can give account for me pitney. So me nah nothing to live for, me nah nothing left here for. I do. So me just a cut. So just line up here. Tonight, I just see me just go grab my bag and line up. Just call the people them any amount of money you don't know. So me they have a piece of food for me I do already. We just pay them and cut out of here. Yeah. So line up a drive and then call the people them to go up on the boat with. Mestico, Westico anyway, me I go. Alright. Respect. Jerome. Yes, me out there. You know, them say if you go up on a day little boat and them a go drop me off and me go up on one next one, but me not see nobody. You call him, man. Me dey cross a big building that Friday. Oh, the wrong side me dey pan. So you go call him? Alright, thanks. Are you Jerome call?
Come in.
I don't know if you go over here, so. Yeah, help me. Holy bag. How me go up now?
Come up here. Tap up. Step up, man.
Step up?
Yeah, just step up. Step up, man. Relax. Alright.
Jerome, me see man. He must so left out now or something I deal with. I tell you the truth, I really want to go left me pitney now because I don't hear from him and no, nobody no call me. Yes. So you say we take care of that? So how me I go reach back to me pitney because I don't come back here so? You came personally. Thank you very much. That's why I know I can't depend on you for anything, you know, man. Respect. You can't go search for me, man. You know, say me a survivor. So when I start make a life and I reach and everything start out, you know you're good. Alright. Respect. Later. Me ready?
Yeah, man, we're so ready because you know it's a long journey, you know. So we catch some of them like fish because you know I want something to eat, though. So ready, man.
Thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these wonderful content for you guys. It simply means if you reach to the end of the video, it simply means you love the video. So thank you very much for watching. It's always a pleasure to create wonderful content for you guys. You don't know, say, we are the YouTube, we're not doing Netflix. So you don't know, say, once we're doing YouTube, we're always going to need all the contribution that we can get. You see me, I say, so if you are out there, you love what we are doing, and you want to see the thing continue to grow, you can reach out to Public Report on Instagram. DM him, man, and make him know, say, yo, I love what you are the youth. Keep on doing what you do. I'm want to send a little contribution so you can keep doing what you do. Because at the end of the day, persons on the outside might not know that to create this content, it costs. Because at the end of the month, we have to ensure say, each person who play a part, who play a role, we have to ensure so they get something at the end of the month. So if you keep on doing what you do, we're always going to need the support from you guys. Any form of contribution, no care how small it is, we will accept it. You can link with me and send me something through Western Union or MoneyGram because it is needed. You see me I say? So big up on yourself again. Thank you guys for watching. And Public Report, the 10,000 subscribers. And we like that. So keep it going. Share the video up. Tell a friend, and just go on do the thing. Big up yourself, alright? Yeah, man.
Paradise Nation. Oh yeah. You don't understand my situation. You weren't there to hold my hand. You could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust?